Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I was driving to my shop and I kept looking at this beast. 07 FJ, obviously modified. Not sure if I should say heavily modified, but it looks absolutely awesome and I wanted to really quickly share it with you on this channel. The owner was just leaving the vehicle, so he said it's 07, right? That's how I know. And he might be coming to my shop in the future because he said he has some problems with the front. He said it's bouncing or something. So we had like a 1-minute chat. He went to his gym, but I wanted to film this for you. This is pretty cool. It's definitely beast, right? These FJs are very highly sought after in my opinion. They are really great off-road machines, especially here, right in Humboldt County, where we have a lot of woods and beaches and so on. This is just perfect vehicle. Go camping and discovering the nature. So quick walk around, as I said. And you might see it in the future of this channel. The owner might be coming. I gave him my card and he might be coming back for some repairs or tune-ups. So thanks for watching and have a great day.